Hello everyone, I'm Shri Priya, and the mini project which I have chosen for cloud computing is cab booking website. I'll be presenting about introduction, platform used, objectives, methodologies, and summary. So the introduction includes it is a computer-based management system to handle the entire primary information required to manage the whole data. So the aim of the project is the main aim includes offering an e-place to search for the nearest travels around the living place and book a cab for happy and safe journey. So the cloud platform which is being used to host the website is Amazon Web Services, where Amazon Web Services is a subsidiary of Amazon providing on-demand cloud computing platforms and APIs to individuals, companies and governments on metered pay-as-you-go basis. These cloud computing web services provide a variety of basic abstract technical infrastructure and distributed computing building blocks and tools. So the main objective of the website, online cab, is to record the details, various activities of the user. It will basically simplify the task, and also the objective includes to automate vehicle rental and reservation, so customers do not need to call and spend unnecessary time in order to reserve preferred vehicle. So the methodologies which are being used to build up this website is basically for front end HTML and CSS is being used. Back end MySQL and PHP is being used to deploy the website. So to host the website. So deploying website in AWS cloud, which is being done by creating S3 bucket by giving the name of required, and once the bucket is created all the object files of the project are being uploaded to the bucket, and this static website is hosted by making it public. The summary includes building a website with detailed features, using cloud computing services to host a website, working of cloud computing services and its efficiency, and memory management. So the demo of the project includes this is the homepage of the website where the user can see what exactly is this cab booking. In the homepage, the user will get to see the cabs available for the user to book. In this, the user will get the details of the cab, like mileage will be shown, volume capacity is shown, and the price will be shown. The user can book the required cab. And in about page, the user will get to know about the company. So this and the services which are being provided by the company and the team which is included. In FAQ section, the user can post the required questions for which uh, he is for required queries for which he needs an answer. Like the user can post the question here, and the user will get the required help through already built-in answers. So these are the basic questions which are being asked and which are put up here. And if the user needs any other help other than this, the user can post the question over here. And in login section, the user can log in into the account by placing the required email address and required password which is being created while sign up. Once the user logs in, the user can book the required cab. In gallery section, the user has varieties of cab the user is looking for. So the customer can choose required cab in which the user wants to travel. or start his journey. So once the user places the cursor on the required cab, though he can see the mileage and he can book the cab. In block page, the user will see the contracts uh, which are being taken up for in future, and the services which are being provided, and the further updates which are being made.